Hi everyone! In this tutorial we will show Surprise Me Studio and how to start your first self-guided tour with the simplest example. To begin, press the button Create a Tour. Then title your tour. If you don't think up title at this stage, don't worry, you can change it later. So we write in. This top line displays the name of your tour. Let's try to edit it. OK, on the left side of the screen we can find the content of the tour, or a list of the events which it consists of. We've just started, that's why there's nothing but the photo greeting event. Here's the name of the first event. You may enter a greeting or any phrase that's used for the tour topic. Let's say hello to the future participants of our adventure. Well, obviously one greeting is not enough to start. It's necessary to indicate the starting point of the route, explaining where to go or what to look for. We chose Tbilisi as the city for the demonstration tour and the Liberty Square at the start of the route. Add an illustration to make the event brighter. Well done! Then create a new event and enter its name. In this task, the participants are proposed to find the location, so we have to select the condition in a certain place. Next, we find the right place on the map and correct the geotag if needed. As soon as the participants get to this area, the next step will open. By the way, on the left side of the screen there are various tabs. For instance, statistics shows how many users have downloaded and passed your tour. In the access codes, you can create unique codes to share your tours with others. And next tab is the route map. Here are marked these locations of the tour, which geotags you have put down. Well, now let's go to the second event. The next task is to find a golden rider holding a spear and to guess his nickname. We will offer a multiple-choice question, so the participants need to choose the right answer. Enter the title of the next event. Then select the multiple-choice question. We add several options and tick the correct one. On the demonstration screen on the right side, you can check the answers. Let's try. As you can see, after we chose the right option, the next stage opened. The participants can choose not only from the suggested answers, but also supply their own answers. For example, let's ask the following question. In Georgia, the famous abbreviation GMT has a slightly different meaning. What is it? How to arrange this task? Create the next event, which will be called Georgian Lifestyle. Select the open-ended question to let participants write their own text for answers. Write the correct answer below. It is worth to think about the answers which participants can give and prescribe them. For instance, the right answer on the question how much is 2 plus 2 can be a digit or a word. Great, we've just finished this stage. Moving to the next one. Participants do not have to complete tasks or find locations to open the next stage of the tour. Sometimes it's enough just to press a button. How to make it? Create an event and select the condition multiple choice question. Keep just one option and type the text. So, we have reviewed the simplest types of the tasks. Now, on this basis you can actually invent a lot of things. Do not be afraid to experiment. Good luck!